Hello friends, here now we will learn about for loop, and we will understand how we can utilize the for loop. So if you are using for loop first time, then here you can just drag and drop here a for loop. Here you can see it is saying that counter, then suppose you have a start count from the 1 or 2, you have to write here, then the end number of that count, and what you want to do during this count you have to write here. Okay, so here whatever the statement you have to write, you can easily write that statement in this statement area. Here there is also one option is available, which is called the by. What does means of by? That you are increase the counter value by 1, or you can say by 2, or you can say by 3. Okay, so the detail about this counter we will understand in this lecture. Okay, now for better understanding I will add one data block. Okay, here data block, and I will say data, just name as a data. Okay, and I will just make this open. Now what I will do, I will write data1. Okay, and I will take one array. Okay, I will take a two-dimensional array, and in the two-dimensional array I will write 1 to 10. Okay, again I will write 1 to 10, and I will take array of boolean. So whenever you take this array as a boolean, there is a two-dimensional array available for our operation. Okay, so how you can utilize this array into the loop, I will explain here. Okay, now as we are making some program, so what I will do, I will take here one we can say integer value. Okay, so for the integer I will take as a max number. So I am taking as a max number. Okay, and I will take it as a integer. Okay, now here I will say my count number. Just I am writing it approximately so that you can understand it. Now what I will do, I will just write for loop here. Okay, in the for loop I will take this max number here. Okay, and here I will write from 1 to 10. Okay, and I will write by 1. Okay, now here what I have did, I have take one integer number. Okay, and I have made increment of 1 from starting counter 1 to end counter 10. Okay, I hope you have understand this. Now here I will write my my detailed programming. So here I will take data 1. Okay, now in this data 1, what I want to do is I will make one bracket, square bracket. Okay, and I will take this can say let's make this counter number as a constant. Okay, and let's take 1. Okay, now here what you will do, you are writing uh, this count number here, and you are writing this max number. Okay, max number, and after this bracket you are making equivalent. As now we have taken this array as a two-dimensional of boolean, so whatever you are writing here, you have to write the output you want to set in the boolean form. Now as soon as I have write my you can say my format into my output is true, so my count number is 1. You can see my count number is 1, and maximum number is at the for loop. So this one count number will be 1, and this 1 to 10 will be set from 1 to 10. So our this 10 number will get true output. Okay, if we download the program. So let's understand this. Now in the simulation my out is on. Now you can see as soon as I turn on this monitoring on the data block, you can see here this one, my data from 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 1 7 1 8 1 9 and 110 is true. Now how it is true? It is true because our count number is 1. Okay, so here a count number 1 is constant. Okay, then what we have did, we have make a for loop for the max number. So max number will be variable from 1 to 10. As a count number is constant, so it will be on from 1 1 1 2 1 3. Okay, so that's why my output of this two-dimensional array is true at this stage. Okay, now what we will do, we will make some changes here, a simple changes. I will go offline. Okay, and I will change here 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 you can see my data type is boolean, so I will make some change here and I will make here integer. Okay, integer. So my all data is converted into integer from 1 to 10 and 1 to 10. It's a two-dimensional. Here you can see as soon as I change my data type here I have changed my data type. As soon as I have changed my data type, some error is showing here. Why? Because here you can see my max number is integer, count number is integer, so there is no issue with that. But the output we are getting here is the issue. When you set the data type of integer, you cannot set the output as the boolean here. You can see true is a boolean. So what I will do, I will do something different here. I will take this count number here. Okay, and I will make sorry, I will take count number here. Now I will make multiplication and I will take this max number here. Okay, here you can see. Okay, so here you can see what will be the my output. My output will be the multiplication between count number and max number. So here my count number 1 is a constant, okay, and my max number is variable from 1 to 10. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1, then 1 will be 2 is equal to 2, then 10 into 3 is 3 into 1 is equal to 3. So whatever the multiplication here it will done, it will be stored in this data block. So let's download it and we can check what will happen. I will reinitialize it, download it, and let's monitor it. See here, as our expected output, here what I have did, 2 into 1 is equal to 2 and 10 into 1 is equal to 10. So if I change this constant number to 10 and if I download it, max number, okay, it will let's download it again. Finish. Okay, now here you can see my count number is changed. The count number is 10 to 10. So the output of this all data block will not came, but the output will be available at here is a 10. Why the output is available here? Because we have a two-dimensional array. Our count number is set here 10 and max number is vary from 1 to 10. Okay, that's why it will multiply 10, 20, 30, 40, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 100. Now what we will do, we will make some changes here. I want to make increment of 2. Okay, so let's download it and check what will happen. Okay, now here you can see there is no changes because it is old data. So what I will do, I will do some master reset and I will download it, go offline and I will download it. What is the use of this by 2? I will explain you. So here now I will download it, load it and start module, finish. Okay, now here I will just on it. So here you can see the meaning of by 2, it will make one space here. Okay, it will make multiplication at 10 1, it will left 10 2. It will make multiplication at 10 3, but it will left 10 4. So how much, at what rate, okay, you want to make increment of the for loop, it is defined by this number. Okay, so here let's understand by 3. Okay, how we can make by 3. So I will make here 3. I will here I want to check the data at this one number, so I will do here only 1. Okay, so let's download it and we will see what is happening here. Okay, see 1, then 2 number left, 1 2 3 and then 4, then 3 number left, 1 4 5 6 and 7, then 7 8 9 and 10. So here after every 3 point, at every 3 increment, it is incrementing. Okay, so here it is all about the for loop. Now what I will do, I will make combination of the if statement with the for loop. Okay, so I will do one thing here. I will make one. So I will add one if statement here. So if, okay, now I will write if switch 1, we have a switch 1 is true, then what I want to do is I want to make for loop, and in this for loop I will control X and control V here. So if my switch 1 is on, then I want to make a multiplication of the counter 1 number to max number. Okay, now in the same thing I will just copy it and paste it here. So if my you can say here, if my switch 2 is on, okay, if I switch 2 is on true, okay, then I want to make multiplication, not multiplication, I want to make addition. Are you understanding? So here we have a setup of data. So what I will do, if I press switch 1, then data will be multiplied, but if I press switch 2, my data will be add. So let's download it. So here we are using the combination of the for loop, okay, with the if statement. So the better understanding, I will just start the simulation of the HMI. So now it is started, and we will just start the monitoring of this data block. And here, as we have told you, that if switch 1 is pressed, then we want to make multiplication. This is all data, don't see it. Now if switch 2, then addition. So here if I press switch 1, then you can see it is making multiplication. 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 1, 3 into 1, 4 into 1, 5 into 1, 10 into 1 is equal to 10. So this is a multiplication happen. Why multiplication happen? Because we have pressed switch 1. So as switch 1 is pressed, it will make multiplication. If switch 2 is pressed, it will make one, we can say, addition. So I will turn off this switch and I press switch 2. So 1 into 1 is 2, 2 into 1 is 3, and 3 into 1 is 4, 10 into 1 is 11. So I hope you have understand. Then if we have this type of for loop, and if we have a we can say two-dimensional array, then we can use like this data. We can use single dimensional array also. We can use some memory locations also. We only need two set of data, so we can use that for loop. And here is all about for loop. You can utilize this for loop to manage any complex programming. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and thank you